another video. So woke up this morning, it's a rainy, dreary day. I got the day off, so I'm thinking about taking a long ride to a place I used to hunt a long time ago. I used to do a lot of my hunting over there. It was in Greene County, Pennsylvania. So we're gonna take that long drive. Being that it's raining, we should see some turkeys in some fields. Hopefully we get some, I got the camera, hopefully we get some good shots of the turkeys. Maybe they'll be doing some strutting, maybe not with all the rain, but we're gonna take a ride. Gives me something to do, and I haven't been there in a long time. I just want to check things out. All right, so we just drove by a field. I actually turned around, saw a couple turkeys out there. Looked like a couple of them were strutting, so we're gonna try to get up there, try to zoom in, get some video of them. Field it was in. Thing has a nice long beard on it. Alright, let's see if we can find a couple more. Alright, so we turned around again. Up here are the turkeys I originally saw when I turned around the first time. I kind of thought they looked like they were in a different spot in the field. We're going to go over right here and get some video of them. Cruising some of these back roads over here. I used to hunt over here. I'm trying to think how long ago it was. 30 some years ago. It was a long time ago. Long time ago. I'm thinking about, I don't know, at least 30 years. So I've seen a couple there along the main highway. Never really seen much here, but we haven't had very many open fields. Beaver dam down there. So we're gonna keep looking. So we're seeing some turkeys. One thing I wanted to make clear, that these places where these turkeys are, these aren't places I have permission to hunt. basically just riding around because I'm actually taking photographs. I'm taking videos for you guys so you can see the, you know, see the turkeys to make a video, but I'm actually taking photos too. So we've been riding around here for a while. I kind of got off the beaten path. Wanted to check out some old places that I used to go just to see what was there. Haven't seen any turkeys, deer, or anything. It was raining pretty good there for a while. So we're still riding around. Hopefully we can see something else we can get some video of. Alright, so we're headed home. It started pouring down rain. I don't know if you can tell through the windows. We haven't seen anything for the last couple hours. So that's going to be it for the video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.